Hi everyone, welcome back to Placement Journey. In the previous video we learned about variables and data types in C++. Today we are going to learn the rules for naming variables, which is very important to avoid errors in our programs. Let's get started. So, rules for naming and variable. Why are rules important? Before writing programs, we must know how to correctly name variables. If we break the rules, the program will give errors. Rule number 1, variable name must start with letter or underscore. Let's see with an example. I will create a file name rules.cpp. I quickly write down the code. So int underscore marks. I already told the variable name must start with either letter or underscore. If we use any other numbers or symbols at first, it will give some error. Let's check. So if I write int1 age, it shows an error. See, expected and identified. So variables name start with only letter or underscore. If we start with any numbers or I'll give any symbol, it will show an error. Rule number 2 is cannot contain spaces. Let's see with an example. So I'll write int student age. It shows an error. If we write int student age with the space, it gives an error because variable names cannot contain spaces. We should write either student age by combining, or we can use underscore as well. We can use student age, quickly student age or underscore. There will be no error. So we must not use the spaces. Rule number 3 is only letters, numbers, underscore allowed. So if I write int marks hash at, it does not take. So we can include either letters, either underscore. It does not give the error. We should not use any special symbols like at, hash, anything. We can use only letters, numbers, underscore. We cannot use keywords as variable name. Keywords are nothing but int, float, true, false. These are all keywords. We cannot use those as variables name. So if I write int, it should give an error. Invalid combination of type specifiers. So we cannot give this keywords. See, true is also keyword. It's showing an same error. So we must not use any keywords. We can use only variable names other than keywords. Variable names are case sensitive. I'll explain through an example. Suppose I have taken int marks is equal to 25. So if I print cout m as capital letter, it will give an error. Identify marks is undefined. So capital letter and small letter have more difference. That's what case sensitive is. So if I give cout marks, it will definitely print. It's taking some time. So yeah, 25, it's printed. So in C++ it's case sensitive. It means capital letter and small letter have difference. Rule number 6, use meaningful names. Let's see with an example. So here I have taken int x is equal to 20. When someone reads this code, what is this 20 value, they couldn't able to understand. So what I tell is, instead of taking x, y, those type of values, we can take a meaningful name. Int age is equal to 20. So it is meaningful. When someone see this code, they can definitely understand that age is 20. In previous video, I have forgot to tell something about Boolean values. So true is always stored as 1 and false is always stored as 0. Let's see an example. See, I have taken the code. Bool is student is equal to, have taken true, and if I print is student, what does it print? Let's see. So yeah, it's printing 1 because here we have taken true. But suppose if we take false here, let's see what does it print. Zero. So that's all. True means 1, false means 0. So today's homework is create 5 valid variable names and 5 invalid variable name and check the output, because by practice and by making mistakes only you can learn. So today we learned the rules for naming variables in C++ and why following these rules is important. So for practice, I have already given the homework. Please do that. In the next video, we will start learning about operators in C++. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.